Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create objects in Excel. Let's get started. I'll demonstrate how to create a Word document in Excel. I'll place my cursor where I want to insert the Word document. The steps are straightforward. I'll go to the Insert tab, then choose Objects on the right-hand side under Text. Clicking on this object brings up a dialog box. Now if you look, I'll go to the Create New tab. It's asking which type of object you want. There are various options available. I'll select Microsoft Word document and click OK. If you don't want to display it as an icon, click OK. The Excel tabs are now replaced with Word tabs. I can type, format, and edit my document in the Word tab. This method allows you to create various objects in one Excel sheet, making it more organized and sensible for presentation. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.